So in this lecture we are going to study about the data analysis tool in Excel, as we already find it that tool in the previous video, how we can actually find this tool if you can't find in your Excel sheet. So you just need to follow the steps which we actually did in the last video. So here is the name of our data analysis. We just need to click on it. So once we click on it, so here is a dialog box open, its name is data analysis, and there is a multiple options here. So basically data analysis actually telling about what you want actually in your data and what kind of analyzation you want to create from this tool. Basically we have a multiple options like ANOVA for single factors, ANOVA for double factors, and correlations, covariance. So these are the features that provided by data analysis tool to us, but right now we don't need to go into these deep kind of analyzation, but we can use here a simplicity kind of option here, a descriptive statistics. Basically descriptive statistics is actually telling you about the mean, mode, and variance and standard deviations kind of analytics. So we just need to click on it and click OK. Once you click on it, so here you need to provide your all the data that's contained in the numerical forms. We cannot provide the alphanumeric or alphabetical data here because it cannot possible to generate the mean and mode values of alphanumeric and alphabetical values. So we should provide all the data that contains some numerical values. So you just need to click on this arrow, and once you select these four columns, and by shift plus control and down key, all the arrow up to the down actually selected, and our data actually contain labels in first row. So we just check this option, and we also want our output generate in the same sheet, so we need to provide the place for the generation of our output. So here randomly I just select a position here, and we also want some statistics, and the confidence level actually will be 95. So once we click OK, so here is the analyzation actually generated here in the form of mean, standard deviation, a median, mode, standard deviation. If I moved into this, like standard deviation, sample variance, kurtosis, skewness, range, minimum and maximum. In quantity, what are the maximum and minimum values? In sales, what are the maximum, mean, standard deviation values? So basically this is the descriptive kind of a statistic generated by data analysis tool. So here you can actually find all the information at the same place without consuming your time by finding individually these mean and mode values. So you just need to go into this option and find all the related features or related values actually by using this feature. So here you can see there is a lot of features actually, and lot of actually analytics comes in the form of a single option. So hope you understand what is the importance of this tool, and you also try to find the improvement in this analytics by yourself. Thank you.